Navigating finances in Japan as an expat, traveler, or business owner just got a whole lot simpler. Today, we're diving deep into how to master Wise for all your financial needs in Japan. First things first, setting up your Wise account if you don't have one. Head over to the Wise website or download the app and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll need to verify your identity, which is a standard security process. Now, let's talk about sending money. Need to pay a supplier in yen or send some funds back home. In the Wise app, tap on Send Money, select the currencies you're sending from, and for example, from your home currency to Japanese yen, enter the amount. And Wise will instantly show you the real exchange rate and any fees. Then, you'll add your recipient's bank details, double-check everything before confirming. Receiving payments is just as easy. Wise provides you with local bank details in multiple currencies, including Japanese yen. This means people can pay you directly into your Wise account, as if you had a local bank account in Japan. Avoiding those hefty international transfer fees, simply go to your balance, select Japanese yen, and tap Get JPY account details. Share these details with the sender. Worried about currency conversions? Wise excels here. When you hold multiple currencies in your Wise account, you can convert between them instantly at the real exchange rate. Just go to your balance, select the currency you want to convert from, and tap Convert. You'll see how much you'll get in the other currency before you make the exchange. This is perfect for managing your money across borders. And finally, the Wise debit card. This is your golden ticket to spending your yen effortlessly in Japan. Once you've ordered and received your card, you can top it up with yen or convert funds from other balances. Use it at ATMs to withdraw cash, or simply swipe it at shops, restaurants, and on public transport. Just like any other debit card, you'll always get the best exchange rate when you spend. So, from sending and receiving to managing your currency and spending, Wise offers a seamless financial experience for everyone in Japan. Give it a try and see the difference.